To set Swipes Touchpad with 4 fingers as switch apps and so desktop in Windows 11 Home, right click on empty area on the desktop and then select personalize. Next, click or tap Bluetooth and devices. Scroll down the screen, tap or click touchpad, and then select 4 finger gestures. And then on swipes, tap drop down menu, select switch apps and so desktop. Now swipe, swipe touchpad with 4 fingers set as switch up and so desktop. Okay, when you swipe up, multitasking view, swipe down, so desktop, swipe left, switch apps, and swipe right, switch apps. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.